Hi everyone, it's Hope Yoder with Craft and Cut, and we have an enhancement to our rhinestone tool. So to get started, if you'll notice, all of the icons have been color coded, so similar functions have the same color, and we made a separate video for that. I'm going to open one of the artwork tools, and I'm just going to draw a rectangle, and then I'm going to fill it with rhinestones. Now my rhinestone function is on the bottom because I have Draw and Cut installed on this program, so it moved the icons. So to fill it with rhinestones, I'm simply going to select fill to the rhinestones. And let me change this so that you can see. Let's see here. Artwork fill. So let me just fill this in with color. Now, if I wanted to know how many rhinestones do I need to make this rectangle, in the past you kind of had to guess, and I don't know that anyone would sit there and count that. So you guys asked for it and you got it. The rhinestone counter is going to be found under the tools. So select the rhinestone object, select tools, and then select rhinestone analysis, and it tells me what size rhinestones to buy and how many I will need. Super easy, nice little enhancement to the rhinestone feature.